just woke up inside my geodome that I built here in the Sierras, and this is my first impression as I wake up this morning. Look at this. This is my view as I wake up. It's breathtaking. I've never woken up in my bed with a view like this. Obviously, I've been in places where, you wake up, you might go out to the balcony or out to the living room and there's a view, but not in my bed. The moment I open my eyes, it's different. Psychologically, it does something to you when you wake up. And the moment you open your eyes, there's this epic view, and you're just surrounded by nature. Last night was beautiful. All that blue sky there that you could see, it was just stars.